So what I have for you today is a carbon monoxide detector from GZAIR. It's SA103 is a model number, and this thing is super important. It's compact, portable, shockproof, waterproof, and vibrates. Just so important to have this. Has a battery that is included. It's pocket size. You can take it with you on the road, so it's really, really important, especially camping or hotels. If you're traveling abroad, doesn't matter. Has a little clip here. I'm going to get a whole review. I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Stay tuned. Let's continue.
I'll turn this on, show you what it does. You see it beeps, and it's going through a setup mode, as you can see. And you can see it gives you all the readings, the battery level. It beeps, it flashes red when the alarms go off. Just really very impressive little item here. Right now, 3, 2, 1, boom. And you can see here it's reading particles per million, I believe it is, or however that's reading out. So you can see that it is 0. So it is full battery. And then that's the reading of the room, and that you'll see that we're going to put 17, 19, 22, 24. Let's see. You can see it really going off now. There you go. I wanted to give you the example. Now it's really cranking. You can see how high that is there. That sampling, 500. So it's vibrating and going crazy. Works. And that'll just go down and clear up in a few seconds. Actually, a few minutes. There's a lot in here. You can see it. When it gets below the 200, it'll stop. Let's just give it some air. You know, now the vibration stopped. And when that gets under 50 particles per million, that'll stop blinking. It'll just slow right down. Stop. That's it. And we get some fresh air, clean it all out.
So you can see how it worked. It worked really well. Let's power it down. 3, 2, 1. It beeps again and shuts right down. I definitely recommend this. This can save your life, and this is really important to have, especially when you're traveling on the road, camping. Doesn't really matter. I definitely highly recommend this item, and it's solid, and I love it. Thanks for watching.